In this guide, I'll show you how to add your custom skin to Minecraft Bedrock Edition. So the first thing you want to do is select the dressing room in the bottom right corner from the home menu. Then you want to select this middle option here on the left sidebar, which is going to be your classic skins. Now you can also go to the three lines in the top left corner and select it here, and it'll bring you to the same spot. And if you click on owned skins, you'll see the option to import a skin. Now, there's plenty of free websites out there, such as MinecraftSkins.net or MinecraftSkins.com, where you can easily download custom skins for your game. So, once you've downloaded the skin that you want, what you want to do is select Choose New Skin in the bottom left corner. And from here, you simply just want to select the skin that you downloaded and press Open. Then you'll have the option of choosing the correct model that you want. You can choose a skinny one or a bigger one. I'm just going to select this version here. And now we have this new skin, and if we go back, you'll see he's available. And let's just go back to the home menu and you can see him right here. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.